everybody, this is Jewelyn. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Come With Me. I'm here in my neighborhood hanging out with Kat. I thought it'd be a perfect time for Kat and I to visit my local neighborhood nursery together. I've been here before and I featured this place on my channel before. Kat's been here before, but it's our first time here together today. So if you guys enjoy these types of videos, especially featuring my plant friend Kat, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. Sound off down below if you love these type of videos and what do you prefer? Plant nurseries, plant shops, garden centers. Love to hear your thoughts. We're here and oh my goodness, we are consumed by babies. There is so much going on. I'm really excited to be here. I haven't been here for a minute and I'm kind of curious to give you guys some prices because it has been like a good minute since I last been here. Here we are. So 2 inches are $3, 4 inches are $5, and 6 inches are $10. So kind of on the pricey side, but if there's anything that I don't really see that is common, that's what you can do when you bring a plant friend. So they got tons of varieties here, and then even on this side too, like take a look at this. I mean, I'm impressed. They got everything under the sun here. Well, under the shade right now. Here's the key lime, which I really love. It's one of my favorite succulents right now in my top 10. So these go for $3 a piece. And if you take a look here, there's like lots of pots here. Love that. Ooh, what is that? It's almost like a watch chain.
It's the watch chain, like,
but in a different variation,
right? I think that one's neat.
That is neat. It's like a double
like a
watch
fat
chain.
Watch
yeah. Chain. Oh, they look so cute. I love how everything's organized here, and you're literally like walking in succulent heaven here. So much for the eyes to see.
Sorry.
Ooh, is that a calancho?
Sedum.
That's interesting.
Touchdown flame.
What's going on here? Kit Kat, it's like sunburn. But I do have to say these are so cute. Kat picked this up when we came in. I just love the magenta
like
pink.
Doing well. That's a nice fat.
Yeah, it's so
stalk,
cute.
Yeah.
Anything else interesting? So much to see. If you just take a look here. And it's like the beginning of November and it's like perfect plant shopping weather.
80s. Leave with our haul.
Yeah. So these are like the cactus babies. Oh, look.
Cute.
Eve's needle baby.
Yeah.
Like these are $15 because that one's priced for $15. So I'm thinking these might be priced for $15.
Big. They're so big. That's not bad.
And this is my wish list cactus right here. You see a baby one of it? Of course not. Take a look at that. That is so impressive. And then Tanya gave me one like this. A little bit bigger. Yeah, so these guys go for $15, which depends where you live. This could be cheap or expensive. Oh, look at the Indian corn cob. It's variegated with pink.
Neat.
Love that from the sun.
That's pretty.
Now we're in this section here and Kat's taking a look at all of the plants up here. How much do they go for?
Oh. 34.
Wow.
$34.95. $35.
Wow. $35 for this. And then what about the string of bananas behind you? They're really nice.
35.
Ooh, $35. That's kind of expensive, guys. But I mean, very impressive. And then if you take a look here, look at all the donkey's tail. This is such a...
And look how big the elephant bush is. That's a lot.
They're stressful
That's a
to
lot.
replant. You know where I want to
No,
go,
you
Kat.
would have to cut it.
Yes.
You'd have to cut that pot open.
And never touch it
Wow.
once it's potted. Unless you want to create a mess and cry. I get so stressed out with donkey's tail.
Remember this that we got
Yes, how's it
from
going?
Hollywood? Great. It loves LA. I put it in a hanging basket. It loves LA.
Kat, what are you playing with?
It looks like some kind of fern, but
It looks like a
parrot's
weed.
beak. Parrot's beak.
It could be the asparagus fern's cousin.
It does look like that, right?
Huh?
It says it has scarlet red flowers. That
Mm.
would be neat.
Staghorn. Oh, look at these begonias.
Those are huge.
I know. If mine could only become this big.
Okay, now look at this.
What is that? That is so weird. It's a begonia. Luxuriant silk.
Luxuriant. What do you think that is? Luxuriant
Silk.
stalk.
Stock. $13 for this interesting begonia. Let me take a look at that. That is weird.
Yeah.
I've never seen a begonia like that. Let me know if any of you guys seen a begonia like this. Very interesting. Very pretty, that deep color.
Love that color.
So here's just a quick point of view where we're at. Ah, here it is, my Hawaiian snowbush that I killed over a
Would
year
that get
ago.
that big? Would yours get that big?
Mine's is a mini that I
Oh, okay,
repurchased,
okay.
but my original one was this big and it died in 2 weeks. But this is like my favorite plant because it reminds me of a kimono. Okay guys, this is like my wish list plant. Kat knows this. Every time we go to different nurseries, I'm always touching the alocasia.
You know what? But this one looks special. I like the color of this
What
one.
about the black coral that we've
I
seen
like
the other
I
day?
like the color of this one a lot. And look at the back.
It's
You see how
stunning.
the back of the leaves look?
I don't want to even know how much
Oh,
this costs. Probably I'm
so
thinking around
pretty.
$100.
So pretty. Does it say? Oh, I don't want to mess it up turning it. I'm not seeing any prices.
No price, but damn, I already know it's around $100. Here's another one struggling through life. This is the same one that I got from Pasadena Rose Bowl. It's like the Regal, Alocasia Regal. How do I know? Because of these blooms. It gives off these weird, like, shaped blooms. Look at
Yes.
this.
Pods. Is this just ivy that's changing colors?
Maybe.
This is really pretty.
Gives me fall vibes.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. I wonder if it actually changed colors because it's LA. It hasn't gotten cold.
Got some philodendrons down here. So we'll walk through right here real quickly. Philodendron Xanadu. And then all of the ferns are here. So asparagus ferns. And more philodendrons here. Philodendrons, so 1 gallon is $10 and 5 gallons for 40, 7 gallons for 100. Here's the pot
Pretty.
section. I always like to look at the small white pots to see what they have in stock. $5 for the small guys.
I like that one. Stripey. They worked so hard on making it look distressed. You could spray it.
You guys threw the pots. Wow, I could plant myself in here,
Oh.
Kat. Kat, what do you think about this visit together for the first time?
Oh my gosh.
Coming together here.
Jewelyn, it's the first time we've done this in a month.
I know,
Can
we
you
haven't
believe?
done a come with me together for a while. Actually feels like, yeah, it's been a good minute.
month. It's been a month, I think.
Okay, heading to the greenhouse.
All work and no play.
I know, I know. Oh my God. Can we just take a moment? Alright, we are in the greenhouse, my favorite part of this nursery. Cats consumed by green. Look at this huge Fabian stump. Like, I don't want to even know how much this thing is. Wow, $120 for this Fabian stump. It's taller than me. This Monstera is $70.
Oh, wow.
Wow, my guy George is worth a fortune then. He's like, I don't know, must be worth $200 then. $8 for this Peperomia Rosso, and they have some Haworthias here for $8. I think that's very pricey. Some string of pearls. I want to say these are all $7. There's a funky smell in here, like paint or something. $35 for this. And then, like, look at all of this. Or you know what? Could be the blooms on this. Made in here, my headache. $16.
It is. That's what it is.
It was like, smells like paint, but it's these blooms here. It's very strong. $11 for this little money plant. Yikes. 21. Okay. That is very expensive. And then take a look at these monsteras here. These baby monsteras, like, compared to my hand.
How much are the little ones?
I don't know. This is what I need to get at Home Depot.
Yeah, they'll cut it for you.
Yeah. I need that. This Monstera is $35. Ooh-wee. One of my favorite philodendrons. And then the dumb cane. Hey, $35.
Is that how big the leaves will get on the one that you
I don't
gave
know.
me?
Who knows? Because mine's is a baby.
I like this color.
I know, it's
Isn't
light.
that a pretty limey, like lime color.
And then look at this. This gives me like Jumanji vibes. And then, oh, we must not forget about the orchids. Poor thing. Look at this small little fiddle. Look at how small.
So tiny.
So
That's
cute.
neat.
I don't want to even know. Okay. Alocasia. Wow.
How much?
$120, Kat. $120. Yikes. And this one goes for $110. All right.
They have the little curly babies.
Yeah, spider plants.
Should I try to redeem myself? Mine looks terrible now.
We got lilies here and all the ferns. Peperomia Guinea. Wow, mine's is not this thick.
But you know, feel this. Feel how wet it feels.
Like overwatered.
Well, that makes me worried.
$16 for this fern. And this fern goes for $16. And then the smaller babies, they go for $6 a piece. And I'm always attracted to Sansevieras. But yeah, $35 for this. And then $16 for this.
That's a little
What
more
do you think?
fun. A little expensive.
Yeah.
In the greenhouse area.
The greenhouse is expensive.
Yes.
I think the
The
succulents
are.
I mean,
they have a lot of small
they're like
ones.
$1 more than what I would probably pay for the size, like the
But
2
they
inches
have a lot
or
of
$3.
2-inchers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it was just definitely nice to come together and see what they had in stock. I would definitely say I think the houseplants are really expensive, especially like the monsteras in here. I hope you guys enjoyed this Come With Me. It was definitely fun to come to this place together with Kat for the first time. If you guys enjoyed this type of videos, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. You can find more on my blog at ilojewelyn.blogspot.com. Until next time, aloha from West LA.